If you're a small business who uses Microsoft Office 365, you've probably heard about Teams. But do you know what it is and how it can help your company? I'll explain what Microsoft Teams is and give you a brief demonstration today on Tuesday Tech Training. Hello and welcome to Tuesday Tech Training. My name is Jennifer Stewart. I'm the owner of Gateway Productivity and I'm a tech and productivity trainer. Today I want to introduce you to Microsoft Teams. For many of my clients, Microsoft Teams is a bit of a question mark. They may know that they have access to it, but they don't know what it does or how it could help their team. So what is Teams? According to the Teams website, it is Microsoft's hub for teamwork, collaboration, and communication. So what does that mean to you? The magic of Teams is that it integrates all of Microsoft's products that you're already using, and you've probably already paid for a subscription that includes Teams. And it has not only communication elements like Zoom, but it also allows for collaboration in many different ways and connects to your Outlook and can connect to all of the Microsoft products. You can practically replace internal emails by using the channels and chat functions. All of your team members can collaborate on documents at the same time, and everyone can stay in one app instead of going to multiple apps to do multiple different things. In addition, you can store documents in Teams instead of having to use a share drive. Let's do a brief demonstration in Teams. Here we are in the Teams app on the computer, and this looks very similar to the web version as well. And just a brief overview of what we have over here. Here are your teams themselves, and typically these are built into the departments for your company or potentially different projects that you're working on. There's multiple different ways you can build your teams. Inside Teams are channels. That's these items here. You can have open channels that are open to everyone. You can have private channels that are locked down to certain people and shared channels with people outside of your organization. Are you learning something new from this video and you'd like to see more? If so, click the subscribe button below the video. And once you do that, you'll see a bell icon. If you click the bell icon, you'll receive notifications each time a new video is posted. Within each channel, you have this large space here, which is a place for you to have conversations. So first of all, you organize into the teams. So say that's each department. Then you can organize by channels, which is different projects or topics for that department. Or for the entire organization, it could be a training channel, a shout outs channel, and an announcements channel. Then within those channels, we have these conversations where we can organize our conversation about whatever project or topic we're talking about. For instance, if this was a channel about a project, if there were different elements to the project, we could have different conversations going for each element of that project. And then also within each channel, you have the option to put files. As I said at the beginning, you can put documents into your different teams. And then you can also add additional tabs, which can be links to websites that everyone needs to access, or maybe a form that you've created to gather information, or a document itself. Let's say you are all updating a spreadsheet together, you can have that as a tab as well. So this saves everyone from having to go to multiple locations to get to the things that pertain to this topic or project or whatever your channel is centered around. Additionally, you have the chat option. If you have someone you're working with that you are not in a channel with, then you can have a chat between the two of you or three of you or however many people you need to chat with. This is an additional option where you don't have to have a channel in your team for every single thing going on. And lastly, you have your calendar, calls, that all connects up to your Outlook. Hopefully that gives you an idea of how your business might be able to use Teams to better organize and collaborate and work more efficiently. If you still feel like you need help with this tech topic or any other tech challenge that you might have in your company, feel free to schedule a tech stress breakthrough call. You can do this by clicking the computer monitor with the heart in it that's above me now, or you can go to the website, gatewayproductivity.com, and click on the Let's Talk button. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.